MeghalayaPost.news.
Vice Admiral Deepak Kumar Goswami, AVSM, Ubade Director General of Naval Projects, DGNP, Mumbai, mentakasngi ulawan Iuhkjat Lum Sohpetbneng, kawin kijaka bakentang jong kejat duriaw khasi. Kejingan jong niu he shipai duriaw kari India, kalong kumsi benta jong kejinglit syangkai pengat, hakabala sunran lang yud, daka kurim kakun bat kakensi jong u, hakajingpoi jong u Lum Sohpetbneng, lapdang subahayu daw rang ba DL Nongbri, Vice President kaseng khasi kimi, urang ba paya bisenram, Vice Chairman Lum Sohpetbneng Committee, bat usam Andrew Jana, Presiden Kaseng Samla Sengkasi Kimi, Hakajingya Kendu, Bajingya Keren Bat Uniu He Shipai, Kinoyelam Kasengkasi Kila Kajingero, Berkitbok Irwang Boonang La Ban Shakri Hok Yakari, Kamtam Hakakamram Kabakya Hakabayday Berkajingya Da Yakari, Nakalang Vice Admiral Deepak Kumar Goswami, Ulapan Pau Yakajing Sukman, Bat Kajingkaman Kabakra, Banyo Wan Jungo Yakani Kajaka Bakantang, Ulapan Pau Ru Kajing Kendit Berkajing Songu Habayu Im Bahakani Kajuk Kabamanta, Karangdon Kajat Bunrio Kabdang Yai Bat Skam Yalakan Niam Kariti Kadustur bat ka kolshor tunrai bat penne na kawai ka pateng syakawai pang Shushu Vice Admiral lembat kibahi yang asam jongu kilakiru syaduan Sohpetbneng banduai hakate ka jaka bakentang.
Very blessed.
We are blessed that we came.
Yes, his prayer also, he prayed for your well-being.
Thank you. Thank you. That is what is
Throughout
required.
our country.
Finally, good health is required. The rest all is.
The Khasis, sir. Yes. And that once upon a time, we believe that there was a golden ladder which connected earth and heaven. And in those days, there were 16 families, 16 huts, yes. So they used to come down to earth to farm, to work, and then they would go back home to heaven, Iuhkjat.
Okay.
Then as time went by, this golden ladder, it got cut off due to man's doings, I can say. Yes. So what happened then was 9 got stuck up there in heaven.
Okay.
And we on earth, we are the 7.
Okay.
The 7 families.
Okay.
Then you get the 7 subtribes of the Khasis. The Khasis, under the Khasis, we are the Khandiam, the Banars, the Boys, the Wars, and so on.
Okay.
So we the Khandiam, we settle here in the Khasi Hills. And the Banars, they are in the Janti Hills.
Okay.
And then the Boy in this very district, they are settled here.
Okay.
And the story goes on.
Okay.
Yeah, and I believe.
Yeah, this place now is looked after by Enquiries.
Okay.
It is an organization founded in 1899. Just as we had informed you, we have commemorated the 125 years of our existence. And this organization aims and objective is to preserve the indigenous faith, the customary laws, and everything that belong to our community.
Okay.
So we are very, very happy to see you here.
Thank you very much. I am very also happy to come here and learn, about.
We would have never known
We would have never known. If you don't come here, we would have never known.
Actually, we came to know only yesterday. Otherwise, I would have bring more books about our community. Somehow, I'll have. I think I will get your address.
Yes.
Some more.
Good. No, this I'm very happy. I'm very happy to get this. I'm very
Just
happy.
in a nutshell about this Lum Sohpetbneng.
What does this bamboo, these represent the ladder?
No, these.
During the rituals,
During the rituals, we use it
yeah,
to bathe
the prayers with water,
to pour water.
Yes.
To cleanse.
Before the puja is conducted.
We cleanse it. So this is the most sacred place.
Yes. There's an annual pilgrimage here every year during the first week of February.
Okay.
So relax of our
From your community and otherwise also people.
we welcome.
We welcome everyone.
MeghalayaPost.news.